Check it out. Redfish. Rojo redfish. Rojo makes an amazing blackened spice. Yes, it does. Big old cast iron skillet. So, message me and I'll say the story behind the skillet because it's really, really cool. But big old skillet on the fire. Threw another piece of pecan in there. You see a little bit of smoke going. Nothing really. Heat's good. Stove is good. Ain't nothing like hot live fire. Clarified butter, fair amount of it. Okay? Clarified butter. Let's throw some fish in. This fish does not take long, maybe 3 minutes. Oh my God, it smells so amazing. That is crazy. Good, back. Awesome. Look at that. That, my friends, is the sound of deliciousness. I'm so excited. Yeah. I can't resist. I cannot do it. It's hot. Oh my word. That is pure magic right there. Trying to find a word for taco that rhymes with R, but I mean, got a whole lot of R's going on.
Rocco's?
Rocco, the Rocco taco? Well, you know. And literally, that's as long as it takes to cook. Just that right there. It's delicate, it's light, flavor, it's all there. And I use clarified butter versus whole butter because the smoke point is higher. I'm not going to get that burnt char. This fire is much hotter than a stove fire. So by using whole butter, I'm gonna burn more than I'll get more flavor out of. Not what I want. That's it, folks. Let's go make some tacos.